Information of fast food packaging bags. Which food can be kept crispy, not wet. Even after food is put in the bag warm. Even after it has been heated up by the oven. Its top is opened up for holding deep fried food. Oil-proof paper bag for takeout. You can enjoy the fried food without getting your hands dirty. Put the food in a bag. Fold the bag and tape it. It will be displayed in the warmer of the sales fixture. This packaging bag is insightfully designed for those customers who want their fried food warmed up in the oven, after warming the food up in the microwave. Even if you heat it in the microwave, the fried food will not get moist and will stay crisp. You can eat fried food without getting it with your hands. With this bag, fried food will be delicious. It is great for fried chicken. No oil can permeate through the bag. It keeps the food crispy. Absolutely fabulous for fried chicken. Place the fried chicken in the oil-resistant bag. Fold the bag and tape it. Put it in the warmer of the sales fixture to display it. After warming it in the microwave, open it. You have fried chicken that you don't have to touch to eat. How sanitary! It helps COVID-19 prevention.